have a couple of string trimmers, brush cutters, line trimmers, whatever you want to call them. Dewalt have a few of them, and it is definitely worth taking a look at these two right here. With the DCM561 and the DCM561 PBS. You know, they're even using the same numbers, but there are some differences. Let's have a little look at what you can do to tell these two apart. Starting with the standard DCM561, the PBS. This is your run-of-the-mill line trimmer. 2mm string diameter here, giving you up to a 33mm width of cut. You'd be using this for the likes of your grass trimming, for your weed removal, things like that. If you're doing a bigger job, you know, around a field or something like that, then this is going to be ideal. This is a workhorse running off of the 18-volt XR battery, and essentially with that, you were getting the flexibility of a cordless machine with the power of corded, with the power of your petrol machines. You know, this is a transfer. You can move away from your petrol machines and start focusing on using battery powered tools. You're getting flexibility with this as well. You've got a nice low and high switch here as well, so you can adjust the power output from the tool to meet the task at hand. Like I said, this is your standard workhorse. This is your bread and butter line trimmer. It is missing a couple of bells and whistles that you will find with the DCM ST561. And here it is. It does share a lot of similarities. You've got that low high switch. It's running off of an 18-volt XR battery. This also has a 2mm string length, but what you are seeing here is a slight increase in cutting width, giving you up to 36mm of cutting, perfect for removal of weeds, removal of grass. But the thing that I love most about this tool is that it is perfect for storing away in a shed. It has got a much smaller form factor, and that is because the shaft here can actually be folded up in half. So if you're looking to hang this up, you need this to take up less space, it can do so. Like I said, perfect for storage in the shed, but also perfect for storing in a van or anything like that. There's another difference that is worth noting here. They've improved the handle design. Of course, this is something you're going to need two hands on, so that secondary handle is very, very important to remain in control of the tool, stop it from, you know, going here, there, and everywhere. You'll notice that you've got a pretty standard rubberized grip on this, but on the newer model, you've actually got a bit more of a refined spot for you to place your hand. So you're going to find that much more comfortable when working on a longer job. These are both very efficient, very powerful. If you are looking for a line trimmer, then Dewalt have you covered with two fantastic models. Both of these running off of the 18-volt XR batteries, and you can shop both of these now in the Dewalt Superstore over at its.co.uk.